Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Enable developer options and USB debugging now. This lets your PC talk to the phone. Install Samsung USB drivers and connect with the original cable to prevent intermittent failures. Once done, back up your personal data and ensure battery is above 40% so the device won't shut down mid-process. Make sure you note the exact model and CSC code. This matters when flashing files or using Odin later. You now focus on locating the missing OEM unlock toggle and understanding why it's absent. First, search settings for the toggle and inspect developer options carefully. Carriers or locked bootloaders often hide it. If it's not visible, use ADB commands to confirm bootloader state and retrieve row. Bootloader properties. This tells you whether the bootloader is locked or carrier blocked. Next, boot the phone into download mode and prepare Odin or Heimdall with official firmware or an unlock package. This is how you restore or enable the OE. You complete the process by flashing the correct files and verifying the result. After the flash finishes, reboot to the system, open developer options, and check for the OEM unlock toggle. Enable it if present. If it remains missing, perform a factory CSC flash with the stock files or confirm carrier restrictions. They sometimes lock the option remotely. If things go wrong, reinstall Samsung drivers, switch USB ports or cables, and read the Odin/ADB logs for specific errors, so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.